Is it time to buy or sell ACHR Aviation stock? In this video, we will explore ACHR Aviation in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 9th of June, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since June 6, 2025, our system has ranked ACHR Aviation as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.85. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who followed our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 10.5% since we first identified ACHR Aviation as a buy candidate 2 days ago. This equates to an average return of 5.25% each day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and strong upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 39.53% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 11.79% and 76.73%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of 131.26%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fall between 55.70% and 182.82% over the next year. In current terms, this means the future price could be somewhere between $17.53 and $31.85. Our latest daily update for ACHR Aviation includes the headline, Volatile Ride for ACHR Aviation Incorporated stock price on Monday, moving between $10.24 and $11.67. The ACHR Aviation Incorporated stock price gained 10.5% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 9th of June, 2025, rising from $10.19 to $11.26. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 13.97%, with a low at $10.24 and a high of $11.67. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 6.33% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 45 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 78 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $875,092,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $13.92, and the lowest price was $2.82. Currently, the price is 19.11%, or $2.66, below the 52-week high, and 39.46%, or $7.34, below the all-time high on February 18, 2021, when the price reached $18.60. ACHR Aviation, traded under the ticker ACHR, is experiencing a significant surge in its stock, up by nearly 12% as of midday. This rally comes on the heels of recent executive orders from President Trump geared towards enhancing drone security and promoting electric air taxis. Such governmental support could potentially streamline regulations and foster a more conducive environment for growth in the electric vertical takeoff and landing sector, which includes ACHR's Midnight Electric Air Taxi. While the current stock boost does not directly equate to immediate revenue growth, the positive market sentiment can increase investor confidence and attract capital, fostering further rallying in the short term. The company has made considerable strides in its flight testing program, recently showcasing piloted flight tests, which is crucial for demonstrating technology viability as it seeks to enter commercial operations. Despite the impressive rise in stock value of over 180% over the past year, concerns remain regarding ACHR's lack of revenue generation and negative returns on invested capital. Nevertheless, With its relatively modest market cap of approximately $5.83 billion, ACHR presents a compelling long-term investment opportunity as electric air taxis begin to gain traction in urban transportation. In conclusion, the combination of political backing, technological advancements, and the potential for future profitability positions ACHR Aviation favorably for both short-term gains and long-term investments. Investors will be keenly monitoring these developments as they unfold. Analyst Ratings. On Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned ACHR an overweight grade with a hold action. On the same day, it was reported that Needham rated ACHR as a buy with a hold action. Earlier, on Friday, the 21st of February, 2025, Canaccord Genuity rated ACHR as a buy with a hold action. On that same day, Raymond James rated ACHR as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 3rd of September, 2024, H.C. Wainwright rated ACHR as a buy with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned ACHR Aviation stock a general sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given the stock an strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for ACHR Aviation. ACHR Aviation Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook. Additionally, a general buy signal is generated from the relationship between these two signals, where the short-term average exceeds the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $10 and $9.75. A decline below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Notably, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is viewed as a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also emerged, potentially impacting near-term developments. A sell signal was recorded from a pivot top point on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 15.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots. A sell signal was noted 16 days ago. Bollinger. A buy signal occurred 78 days ago. Short-term moving average. A buy signal was identified 3 days ago. Long-term moving average. A sell signal was recorded 4 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was noted 32 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average. A buy signal was identified 2 days ago. Long-term moving average. A buy signal was recorded 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages. A buy signal was noted 18 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for ACHR Aviation. ACHR Aviation Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $11.16. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock has exhibited significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.43 between its high and low, which is approximately 13.97%. In the past week, the daily average volatility has been 8.05%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for ACHR Aviation, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 20 cents. Keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for ACHR Aviation. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Archer Aviation is at $11.39. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Archer Aviation faces its first support level at $11.16. Should this support level hold, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Archer Aviation from multiple analyst sources is sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Muniz Thomas Paul, who bought and sold 384,977 shares or options in the company. From the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 3.253. In total, insiders purchased 1,919,774 shares and sold 2,030,804 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $10.63, reflecting a decline of 5.55%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 15 days ago. Is Archer Aviation stock a worthwhile investment? Archer Aviation Incorporated presents several positive indicators and is currently following a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we believe it is an appealing option at these levels and anticipate further gains over the next 3 months. We have revised our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation, upgrading it from a buy to a strong buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 10th of June, we expect Archer Aviation to open lower by approximately 20.7 cents, starting at $11.05. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.